Hello everyone, long time no see, I'm Jackie. Today's topic is how enterprise VPN ensures security of data transmission. So, why is this issue important? Because enterprises use regular broadband connection to set up VPN and data is transmitted over public internet. In such case, we need to consider the security of data transmission, although the routes through which data pass belong to service provider and a generally secure thing is point-to-point transmission. We still need to take this factor into account for internal data transmission within enterprise. First, we need to ensure data confidentiality by encrypting the data. Encryption transforms the original content into another form, and the encryption process for data transmission is more complex. Common encryption algorithms used in enterprises, such as AES and RC, are part of VPN encryption algorithms, so even if the data is intercepted, information remains secure. However, while data security is ensured during transmission over public internet, it introduces a span-related issue. The higher required security level for the data, the stronger encryption algorithm needs to be. During the encryption process, a significant amount of CPU usage is involved. After the data is sent, it needs to be decrypted, which also consumes hardware resources of device. Additionally, due to various unstable factors, transmission span may become inconsistent. Okay, our sharing ends here today. If you have any other question, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time, everybody.